So I'm here with Daniel at Townhall South Surrey, just checking in with him, how it's going with the VITO system so far. And Daniel, can you just tell me what you've noticed so far with this?
Change a fryer a day. We got 3 fryers, so one fryer would last about 3 days, and now they last up to 6 or 7 days per fryer.
Fantastic. Those are the results that we like to see. And that's based on filtering once a day or twice a day?
Twice a day.
Twice a day. Okay, fantastic. And the quality of the food, you notice any difference with that?
The quality is better. Takes away the burning taste of the fish and chips and
Okay.
fries and all that stuff.
Okay, excellent. So at this point, you give it 1 or 2 thumbs up?
2 thumbs up.
Excellent. Thanks a lot, man.